Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Python in DSA and Python in artificial intelligence, and I hope you understand that project. So today we are working with Python artificial intelligence, and using Python in artificial intelligence, we'll be building an amazing project here. And today I will be telling you that how we will be just building an amazing appointment management system using Python in artificial intelligence. So if you understand and enjoy this video, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing things. Because moving forward, I'll be bringing up more projects that will be giving you help. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be saying a start word what project we are building today using Python in artificial intelligence, and how we are building this appointment management system from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just working with Python, and using Python we are building an amazing project here. So just now we'll be starting with this. Like I'm telling you, we are building an amazing appointment management system. So for building this here, we have to open our folder which is on download. So this is my folder here. This is just appointment management system which we are building. So I will be pressing yes, and then I will be moving on to this file here. This is my main file, and here I will be now just working with this. So I will be pressing Control V to close side panel and saving this here. Then you have to just zoom in this, and we will be starting our main codes here to work with this appointment management system which we are building in Python from start. So here we are also using artificial intelligence. Like I am telling you, we are building all the Python projects which are built using artificial intelligence in Python. So now we have just imported one thing. So I will be now writing here from Tkinter, and we have to write here import this tag here. Then you have to write here import SQLite. So here I will be writing 3, and then you have to write here import tk message box. Remember this which I am writing here, these all things you have to install this. If you are not having, you can use the pip library to install all the things which you are not getting here. So you have to press this tk message box, and after writing this you have to now just write here connect to database. So here I will be now writing connect to the database like this, and you have to now just write here con is equals to SQLite3 like this, and here you have to now just write dot connect. So here I will be writing, then you have to make this bracket and write here database.db, which is our file to connect our database. Then I will be now moving to terminal. My tk message box is not installed, so I will be directly writing here pip install, or you can also write pip I as well. So I'll be writing pip install tk message box, press enter. So you can see now it is telling me that it is not installed, so I will be writing pip install tk message box. So you can see now when we have just done that, so it is telling me that you can upgrade to a new version of pip if you want to just use it. So you can now just move on to the down here, and you can write here cursor, and in cursor I will be writing to move around, and here I will be just writing the database. To move around the database here, c is equals to con dot cursor, then you have to make this bracket. After writing, you have to write here empty list to leather. So here I will be now writing here to leather, append the IDs from, then here I will be writing the database, and you have to just now write here IDs is equals to square bracket, and write here Tkinter, and write here window. After writing, you have to write here class application, and you have to make this colon and move down, write here def underscore init, and here you have to write here self comma, write here master, and make this colon and move down, write here self dot master like this, and write here is equals to master. Then you have to now write here creating, and then write here the frames, and write here in the master like this, and you have to now just write here self dot left is equals to, write here frame, and I will be now writing here master comma, and write here width is equals to 800. You can set the width by your own self as well, but I am writing 800, which is perfect width I think. Then write here 720 height, bg is equals to light green. You can put any other color as well if you want to put. Write here self left dot back, and write here side is equals to left. So you can see we have just now written the side and all the things as well which I will be needing here. Then you have to write here self again, and write here dot right is equals to frame, and I will be now just writing here master like this comma, write here width is equals to 400, then write here height is equals to 720, then write here bg is equals to steel blue, so I am writing another color here. Then you have to now move down, write here self dot right back, then I will be writing here side is equals to right. Then when you've written this, you have to write here labels. So here I will be now writing labels for the window, and you have to now write here self dot heading, and right here is equals to label, and right here self dot left comma, right here text is equals to ABC hospital appointment, like this. So here you can just write appointment, then you have to now write here for, like this thing, and you can see we are just now writing the for here like this. And after writing this font here, you can just now write any other thing if you want to write here. So here you can see we are just getting all that stuff here. So here you can just now write here the font, and in font I will be writing Arial. So here you have to write Arial 40 bold, like this. So here when you've written this, you can also write the FG color here, which should be black. Then you can just write here BG and write here light green. So here I will be now writing light green, like this. Then you have to just move down, write here self dot heading, and write here dot place. And in place I will be writing x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. Then you have to now write here patients. So here I will be now writing patient's name, and you have to now just write here self dot name is equals to, write here label, and in label I will be writing self dot left, and here you have to now write here text is equals to, and write here patients, like this. So here I will be now writing patient's name, and then you have to close this column here like this. And after writing this, you have to basically do one thing, you have to write the double quotes here and double quotes here as well. So we can just do it like this. Now when you've written this, you have to write here font is equals to, and write here Arial, and write 18 bold, like at the top we have written. Then you have to write here FG is equals to black. Then you have to now write here DG light green. So here I will be now writing this. After writing, you have to now write here self dot name dot place. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here x is equals to 0, y is equals to 100. Then write here age tag, and write here self dot age is equals to, then write here label. In label I will be writing self dot left comma, write here text age. So here I will be now writing this, and write here font is equals to Arial, and write here 18 bold, like at the top we have written, and write here FG is equals to black. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here BG is equals to light green. So here I will be now writing this. And after writing this tag, you have to write here self dot age dot place, and here you have to write x is equals to 0, y is equals to 140. Then write here gender, and write here a tag self dot gender, and write here is equals to label, and I will be now just writing here self dot left. So here I will be now writing comma, write here text gender. So here I will be now writing this. Then I will be now writing font is equals to Arial 18 bold. Then you have to just now write here comma FG black. So here I will be writing. Then write here BG light green. So here I will be writing light green. So here you have to write light green, like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here self dot gender, and write here dot place, and I will be writing x0, y is equals to 100. Then you have to write here location, and then I will be writing self dot location is equals to label, and here I will be writing self dot left, like this, and I will be now just writing here text location, like this, and I will be now just writing here font is equals to Arial, and write here 18 bold. You can write any other font as well. Write here FG is equals to black, and write here comma BG is equals to light green. Then you have to move down and write here self dot location dot place, and write here x0, and write here y is equals to 220, and write here appointment, and write here appointment time, like this, and write here a tag which will be like self dot time, and then you have to write here is equals to label, and then you have to write here self dot, and write here a tag which will be like left comma, and then I will be writing text is equals to appointment. So here I will be now writing, and write here appointment time, write here font is equals to Arial 18 bold, and we have to now just write here FG is equals to, and write here a tag which should be like black, and then you have to write here BG is equals to light green. So here I will be now writing this, and after writing this tag, you have to write here self dot location, or you can say self dot time dot place, and here you have to now just write x is equals to 0, write here y is equals to 100, like we have written at the top. Now after writing this, you have to now just write here a tag which will be like phone, and after writing phone, you have to write here self dot phone, and right here is equals to label. So I will be now writing here is equals to label like this. Right here self dot left and write text is equals to, and then you have to now write here phone number like this, and right here font is equals to Arial 18 bold, and right here FG is equals to black, and right here BG is equals to light green. So you can see we have just written this. Right here a tag which will be like self dot phone place, and here I will be writing x0 y is equals to 300. Then you have to now just write here a tag which will be like entries. So here I will be now writing entries for all label. So here I will be now writing this, and here I will be writing is equals to like this. Now when you've written this, you have to write self dot name underscore end is equals to, right here entry, and here I will be writing self dot left and right width is equals to, here I will be writing 30. Right here self dot name underscore end dot place, and here I will be writing x 250 comma y 100. Then when you've written this, you have to write self dot age underscore end is equals to entry, and here I will be now just writing self dot left comma width 30. Then you have to write here self dot age, and I will be writing end is equals to, or you can say dot place like this, and here I will be writing x 250, and right here y is equals to 140. Then right here self dot gender underscore end is equals to entry, and here I will be writing self dot left width is equals to 30. Then right here self dot gender underscore end dot place, right here x 250 y is equals to 100. So you can see now we have written this thing, or here after writing this you have to just now write here 180. Then when you've written these all things here, here directly I will be moving down. Right here self dot location underscore end is equals to, right here entry. So here I will be now writing entry like this, and right here self dot left and right width is equals to 30. Then right here self dot location again, and I will be writing underscore end. So here I will be writing, then I will be now writing here dot place, and here I will be just now writing x is equals to 250, y is equals to 220. Then you have to write here self dot time underscore end and write here entry, and here I will be now just moving and write here self dot left comma width 30. Then you have to write here self dot time underscore end, and then you have to write here place, and here I will be writing x 250 and y is equals to 300, or you can say 260 like this first of all. Then you can write here self dot phone underscore end is equals to, then I will be now writing here entry, and here I will be making this tag, right here self dot left, and here you have to now just write here comma width 30. So here I will be now writing 30. Then you have to write here self dot phone, and then I will be writing end dot place, and I will be making this tag and write here x 250 comma y 300. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing button to perform a command. So here I will be writing, then write here self dot submit, and then you have to write here button and bracket, and here I will be writing self dot left comma text, and then I will be writing add appointment. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here the width 20, height should be 2, and right here BG is steel blue, the color of the background. Then right here command, and right here is equals to self dot add appointment. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to just now move down right here self dot submit, and here I will be making this right here place, right here x 300, and then I will be writing y is equals to 340. So after writing this, you have to directly save it, and then you have to move it the top, and you can see we are just getting all that stuff. But you can see one thing that we are just getting all these things, but these are the things which we have just written at the top. Like we have just import the Tkinter as well from the top, like we have just imported here. You can see like from here we have import, then we have import the SQL and all the things which we needed here. So after just doing all these things, we have to run it. So for running, you can move to the downloads tab, and there was our folder here. You can see this was our folder, and this is the URL which we are getting here. So I will be directly doing one thing. I will be now moving to my command prompt directly. After moving to the command prompt, you can move to that just URL of this. So I will be now just doing one thing. I will be moving here, and you can see this is the URL here which we are getting. So I will be now copying this URL from here, and you have to write here C like this, and then you have to paste this URL, and you can see now we are just getting here the things like this. So here you have to now write here CD, paste this URL, and remember one thing, you have to directly remove only these things which we are getting here. And then I will be now just doing one thing, I will be moving here, then I will be moving to the download. This was our folder, so I will be renaming this, copying this, and you have to now just remove this from here, and directly first of all you have to write here CD downloads where we are getting, then paste the folder name which we are getting, then again CD, and after writing the CD you have to now just renaming this, then you have to copy this CD and paste it again, and after pasting this here you have to now directly move to the folder, and here this was our folder name, so I will be renaming and copying this as well, CD, then paste this as well here, and here you have to now just paste this appointment which we are getting. So I will be now just writing here appointment.file, which is our file. You can see now it is redirected me here in the operating system which I am telling you here. Then you can also press the display file, you can open it. So here for using the display file you can write here display.file. So you can see now it is redirecting me to the display file as well. And if I just move on to the update file, so it will be also redirecting me to the update file. If I show you update.file, you can see it is redirecting me to the update file as well. Means that this is the appointment system which we have built, the backend appointment system we have built today in this video. Means when I'm writing any of the file, it is redirecting me to that file here. You can see this like this. So here like this you can just build this amazing system. I hope you understand how to build an appointment management system in the backend using Python in artificial intelligence. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So just help me with you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.